Hey, what's going on, guys? Just gonna throw up a video here. As many of you don't know, all of you probably don't know, I'm into sim racing. Not like a ton. I was like into it for a long time, really into it, and then I kind of just fell off because just got busy. And it's, I think mainly when I started having when we had the kids, you know, it's hard to just commit to like, because I'm not playing like Forza or something, like iRacing and stuff. No big deal. You don't plan. And it's just hard to like do a practice session, then do a, looks like the guy already tried to take this apart. Do a practice session, and then the race and the qualifying or whatever, and it's like, ugh, it takes so long. But I got this wheel from this guy on Craigslist. He's using Tempest. This is not sponsored by them, but that's what I used. And so I was using it, and I was looking for a GT wheel. Because I have a BMW round wheel now, and I wanted a GT club style, whatever they call it, GT style. So it has a, back here you can see there's a pin missing at the bottom right there's a hole. So I gotta take this apart, and then I'm gonna have to, I think there's a spare hole you can take one of the pins off. There's a guy that has a video, so I was just gonna start taking this apart and then see I'll watch the video, and then I'll start taking it apart. So that's what I'm doing today. Definitely looks like the guy before me took this wheel apart. And a washer fell down there somewhere. Which, you know, I'm not surprised, but actually I don't know what the fuck that was. It's kind of concerning, I guess, because, you know, that one felt like it was probably over tightened because that came out hella easy, and so did this one. Get an extension. There pretty much isn't anything I'll attempt to tackle myself. That thing's still in there. I don't know what fell out, so I have to look on the floor. Right now I'm in the middle of remodeling my bathroom. I just do that myself. Coronavirus got me home doing nothing, so might as well. I had, heck, like a lot of the stuff just laying around my yard, pretty much my yard. So screw it this time. Okay, now I don't know what to do. I mean, removing a PCB wouldn't be much more work than I've done already. Where's this thing trying to go? Oh, I see now. Get to get in there and turn that sucker sideways. If anything, I'm sure I can find the pins and all this stuff online. Just build my own harness. I'm kind of a connoisseur of harnesses. All right, you guy, come on. There we go. Okay, I got this off. So now he says this you gotta cut off, which is like a rubber. But also, this thing, I mean, the pins are little jack-a-mode, so this thing is supposed to come off of here. So it feels like. Yep, okay. Got it. So you can definitely see that's bent. Pretty bad. So let me straighten that out, hopefully without bending. These look like mil-spec terminals. This one's like janked out pretty bad. Oh god. Oh my gosh. This pins off. See this one here. Alright, let's work on this off here. See. Friction reblade. That's pretty cool. Individual feathers work on. I'm going to turn this up here, honestly. Well, they don't want you fixing this at all. I broke a wire, which are probably 2 wires. They pretty much just put solid, they just melt this into rubber here. The one guy in the video, he had heat shrink around his and it was done. I've been going at this thing with a Dremel tool and stuff, like with the just a little miniature wire wheel, but damaged a good amount of wires here, and I mean, I'll be able to fix them, but dude, I can't get this rubber is just into everywhere. I can't get it out. Oh, there's no way. They screwed me. I don't know if they'll just sell me this harness, but I could give it a shot. I guess email them. Sucks. Alright, I'm gonna see if I keep working at it. I mean, I can repair these pins, it's not a big deal, but you know, I'll see. Oh man, for some reason I woke up at 4 this morning, and I don't know why, but I couldn't go back to sleep. Been up since 4, so I went ahead and tiled my bathroom. Like I said, I do everything myself. If you goddamn want it done right, you gotta do it yourself, you know what I'm saying? Gosh dang it. So I got the McLaren wheel going here, kind of. So let me see what I can't see what see what I see. Alright, so woo. So I got the McLaren wheel going, but the settings button doesn't work. When I push it, you can see it was last night. When I was pushing it, the start button was like changing colors, or flashing, not changing colors. You can see that shows up. Oh, nice. But unfortunately, I can't change anything, which is super unfortunate because it's not that it's super important, but it does make it a lot easier to change your force feedback and your braking force. Not even in a game it comes on. I try to set a Corsa and Project Cars, so I don't really know what's going on with that. All the buttons register, everything. I did through the thingamajig, I don't know what it's called. Mappable analog axis. It's weird, it just like turns off. Can't change anything. Yeah, this kind of sucks. But, I mean, it's cool to have a GT wheel. I'm freaking dead tired, so I'm still waiting on the oil pump for that car. I ordered a headlight brackets, little cheap roll bar mounts for the exoset, so I can do that. Why does he have a horn key on here? It's weird. So, yeah, I guess that wraps up this video until I get something to do. Yeah, cool. Alright, see you guys later.